as a network marketer, when you start wanting to generate prospect online using the long-term process of building an email list, I tell you it's going to take time, especially when you are going to offer your prospect a freebie before you now start nurturing them, before they start trusting you. Now, if you are going to position yourself as somebody, as a coach for fellow network marketers, and which is the best thing I actually advise you to do. If you be positioning yourself, if you are going to be marketing your opportunity, market from that angle, it is the best way to go about it. So now, if you are going to be doing that, there is every possibility that you might not start making sales immediately. People will not start joining you immediately. It will take time. I'm telling you purely from experience. Now, in that period of time, how do you make money? How do you make money? How do you keep making money, at least to start to keep running your advert and some other things that you might need to do when people are not joining you? So number one thing you can do is that you can create a course to sell to them immediately. Yes, if you have previous knowledge, you create it and then you make it in maybe either into a PDF, or you can make it into a series of videos and then you sell it to them. So that's number one. Number two way is you can recommend other people's products to them, like other trainings to them, because most network marketers right now are exactly in your own position too. They need people that can teach them how to get prospects and the likes like that, how to automate their business online. That is what everybody needs, network marketers most especially. So you can also sell other companies training to them. And the last thing you can also do is you can offer affiliate marketing to them. You can give them affiliate marketing offer, which might be what you might want to go for. So if you can actually go ahead and then create courses for them to go through and sell them so that you make money immediately, beautiful. If you can recommend other people's courses to them, very beautiful. But if one of those things is not something you really can do, you can also match up your business opportunity with an affiliate marketing offer. Now, this is what I did. When I started, I actually created a course. Yes, I had the experience and knowledge. I created a course and then I started selling to them immediately before people now started, before I started having people to register to put into my business. This is how it works online. And if you can't do that, I recommend that you get an affiliate offer. Yes, you get an affiliate offer you can promote to them. And so there is